How to become a marketing technologist. Becoming a marketing technologist involves a combination of marketing and technology skills. Here are some steps you can take to become a marketing technologist. Get a solid education. A degree in marketing or a related field can provide a good foundation for a career in marketing technology. Consider taking courses in data analysis, technology, and marketing strategy. Gain experience. Gaining experience in both marketing and technology is key to becoming a marketing technologist. Look for internships or entry-level positions that will give you hands-on experience in both areas. Stay current on industry trends. The field of marketing technology is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay current on the latest trends and technologies. Read industry publications, attend conferences and networking events, and participate in online communities to stay informed. Learn about marketing automation tools. Marketing automation tools such as HubSpot, Marketo, Pardot, and Salesforce are becoming increasingly important in the field of marketing technology. Learn how to use these tools to automate and optimize marketing processes. Learn about web analytics. Understanding how to analyze and interpret web data is critical for a career in marketing technology. Learn about web analytics tools such as Google Analytics and Omniture to gain insights into customer behavior. Learn about programming. Understanding the basics of programming languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and SQL will be beneficial in being a marketing technologist. Network and get involved in marketing and technology communities. Networking with other marketing and technology professionals and getting involved in local communities can help you learn about new job opportunities and stay current on the latest trends and technologies. Be flexible. The field of marketing technology is constantly changing, so it's important to be open to new technologies and trends, and to be able to adapt and learn quickly. Marketing technology is an ever-evolving and fast-paced field, so it's important to be proactive in your learning and stay current on the latest developments to be successful as a marketing technologist.